Day, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're from, good night, wherever you're from. Welcome. This is your boy Cube Trader. So, I am a synthetic trader. So, I'll be analyzing both step index and drift index. All right. So, let's get started. So, basically, I'm a day and swing trader. So, if looking at the day, looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we are bullish, but apparently, it seems like we are currently in a range. Now, some might ask, why didn't I put the bar over here? Because I see that as a fake out. Okay, I see that as a fake out. So that's why I obviously did not put that. So now we know our bias is bullish, but in a range. Currently on a daily, I head down to my 4 hour where I make a proper analysis. All right, so on the 4 hour, as you can see, it looks like we've created a double top. It is not yet a complete double top. Why? Because price has not broken, made a retest and gone down. It could also be another range. Right now, you might be wondering what is this line? This line you're seeing here, which is here, is a 4 hour resistance. You might be asking, why is it not down here? Why is it here? For those who understand, you know that this is where liquidity grab. So, but we'll talk about that later. But on the 4 hour, price to me is still bullish. Why? Because you can see higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, now equal lows. Okay, good. I wouldn't count this as a higher high. Why? Because this is a wick. If this closed as a full body, then yes, I would consider it as a higher high. But for me, I consider it an equal high. Okay, good. So, and if you look at, you see an equal high. It wicked it. So that's it. That's on that. Now, the 4 hour for me is still quite bullish, but it's 50-50 at this point in time. Why? Because it is resting currently at a 4 hour resistance. It's currently resting at a 4 hour resistance. So I would not uh, put all my eggs in one basket to say we are bullish. I will say we are 50-50. So let me go to the 1 hour. Now, as you can see on the 1 hour, but remember this. So I see this as, like I said, I see it as a liquidity grab where markets came to clear all the persons that took buy trades here. People that took buy trades within here, price came to take all their stop losses and went up. And for the SMC, yeah, they will also tell you that this place is this what they call it, fair value gap. Our price came to take. Well, I mean, I'm not an SMC, I'm a price action trader. So, price now has taken out this. Price has taken out this low. Then what did it do? Shot up, and it is back. You can see it tanked. You can see the way it tanked all the way down. So, right now, what am I doing? My analysis or my bias is, I do hope that it breaks down, and goes down. Who knows? Price could still go all the way up. Price could go all the way up because F, we have this imbalance here. So price could still do that. Okay, depending. So now this is on 1 hour. Now let me go to my entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. Now, as you can see on the 15 minutes, you can see this is a 15 minutes, what do you call it, range. It's a 15 minutes range. So I would not pay so much attention to it. But if I want to take a buy, I would wait for price to come up, do a retest, then yes, I'll pay more attention to it to see, because it could come here, do a ziggy dally, then start pushing down, depending. It could do it here, it could do it here also, because here there's a small FVG, so as here also FVG, so it could do it within that area. So for me, I'm just staying on the sidelines. Then also, if price doesn't want to go here, it could decide to break below, which I do hope it does. If it breaks below, then that is a good one for us. It breaks below, I would love to see it come in, do probably a double top or head and shoulder pattern, then I'll enter and take the swing, the trade down. So that's my analysis on step index. I'm 50-50, but hopefully it sells, so I'm going to stay on the sidelines. Now that's on that. Now let me go to the next one, which is drift swift index. So for drift swift index, starting from the daily, if you go for, let me zoom out, you can see it is all bearish, right? It is all bearish. So I've marked the high of the daily and the low of the daily. Why this is the low? Why? Because that's taken out this. It has taken out this low over here. So that's why it's on that. Now let me go to my 4-hour where I mark my support and resistance. So for my 4-hour, personally, I would say price is currently at a 50-50. Why? If you look at here, if you look at these three candles over here, you see that they are three decelerated bullish candles. They are not as large as this, and if you remember, the daily time frame and the weekly time frame are bearish, so we have to trade with the trend. Like I say, the trend is your friend. So that's on the 4-hour. So for me, I'm 50-50. If this price, if market wanted to go up, I would have loved to see a strong close, bullish close. Then yes, you can say yes, it's coming. It's a bullish um, reversal or a change of character, because this is the last high. This was the high that gave birth to this low. This was the high that broke this structure that gave birth to this low. All right, so I'm 50-50 on that. Now let me go to my 1-hour. Now if you come to the 1-hour, you see that price started to decelerate. As you can see, it became more apparent. It started to decelerate, and I'm pretty sure if we go lower on the 15 minutes, I'm pretty sure these are some swing points over here. But anyway, so now what I'm seeing here is this, a retracement and a possible continuation to the downside, but I would not conclude so fast. So now from here, what I'm really hoping, as you can see, price has broken below this resistance. It has broken back below the resistance. So let me go into the 15 minutes and let's see what's going on there, which is my entry. Okay, so remember what I told you. You can see higher high, higher high, sorry, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high, and the high. And now you can see that this broke almost all of them. Broke almost all of them. So, and now is doing a retest. So some of you might be asking that, wow, I'm a conservative trader. I am a conservative trader. Some of you might be saying that, why can't I enter now? I can't enter. Why? Let me show you the reason. Let me zoom in. If you look at this, you see that price is being rejected. You can see this wick over here. price is being, it's showing to me that price is being rejected, meaning that this could still be a bullish trend back, back to the upside. Why? Because price came down, created this, broke above. Remember, price broke above this, okay, and came down and now created this wick. So for me to consider this a sell, I will rather wait, because in the end, it's the most important thing is to make money. I don't want to be, I'm not part of those people that was do sniper. No, I'll rather wait for price to do this, to take out this low, retrace again, then go down. So that is my own bias. Very simple and straightforward. I'm just going to be sitting on the sidelines. Yes, some people might say weeks are not really important, but me, I also see weeks sometimes as important parts. So that's my that's it on for me on Drift Swift Index. Once again, daily and weekly bearish, 4 hour 50-50. 4 hours 50-50 because I've seen the deceleration candle. 1 hour is showing me this now. Good. So there's a possibility now that price could come and do this and fall through. Okay, so 15 minutes I am going to be very, 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 very careful. I would rather wait for price to come, break this low, and continue to the downside. So catch you. Thank you for tuning in. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram, Cube Trader. You can subscribe to my channel, Cube Trader. Thank you very much. See you in the next.